Hi, good morning, boys and girls. Take out your A Visit to the Woods packet. Put your finger on Grandma. Listen and follow along as I read the story. A Visit to the Woods. Grandma came to visit. Tim took her on a hike. They walked in the tall trees. Tim stopped. He saw a deer eating. Then it disappeared into the woods. Deer get food from trees, Tim said. Turn the page. They hide in the trees, too, Grandma said. The trees keep the deer safe. Tim thought about owls. Tim said, Owls live in the woods. They sleep all day and hunt at night. Grandma said, Owls adapt to living in the woods. Their feathers are the colors of trees, so they are hard to see. They are quiet when they fly, Tim said. That helps them catch mice and other small animals. They did not see any owls on their hike. Maybe next time, Tim said.